Welcome to our tutorial on the chat menu, specifically the conversation window. In this section, we'll explore how you can effectively interact with your leads by sending and receiving messages and manage your conversations like a pro. First, let's navigate to the chat menu. When you click on a lead here, it automatically opens the chat inbox right in the middle of your screen. Within this chat inbox, you'll immediately see the complete history of all conversations you've had with that specific lead. At the very top of your chat inbox, you will find the contact's name displayed clearly. And just to its right, you can quickly identify the origin of the lead, letting you know whether the conversation started from WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other integrated source. Now, pay attention to this important detail. If your lead hasn't messaged you in the last 24 hours, you will see an indication that says 24 hours window elapsed visible at the bottom of the chat inbox. This means that to initiate a new chat, you'll need to either send a template message to the user or wait for them to message you first. To send a template message when the 24-hour window has elapsed, simply click on the Send Template button. Next, you'll need to select a template from the list of pre-approved templates provided by Meta. You'll also notice a convenient toggle option here that allows you to automatically resend the message in case it fails to deliver. For any marketing messages, we highly advise you to switch this toggle on to ensure delivery. From this point, you have two flexible options for sending your message. You can either send it instantly right away or schedule it to be sent at a later time. To schedule your message, click on the up arrow located right next to the Send button. With the Schedule Send option, you can then precisely select the exact date and time when you want your message to be delivered. Once the user replies to your template message, or if they initiate a conversation on their own, you'll gain access to the Take Control option. This allows you to manually type a direct response to the lead. It's important to note that if you have a chatbot enabled, it will stop working when you take control and intervene in the conversation. You also have the flexibility to send another template message by clicking the up arrow situated on the right side of the Take Control button. Once you take control, you will see a pre-typed message appear, which is designed to indicate to the user that they will now be conversing with a human agent. This message is fully editable on the fly, and you even have the option to disable this feature entirely within your chatbot settings if you prefer. While drafting a message, you'll find plenty of useful options. For instance, you can easily select an emoji to add more expression to your message by simply clicking on the emoji icon. Next, by clicking on the attachment icon, you can send various types of files including photos, videos, documents, audio, and even products if you have your catalog connected. You can also conveniently share the location of a place by clicking on the dedicated location icon. Quick reply options are incredibly useful for creating shortcuts or saving replies to questions that are frequently asked. For example, instead of repeatedly typing out greeting messages to customers, you can simply create a message and save it as a quick reply for instant use. To create a new quick reply, first click on the three-dot menu and then select Add New. Then you will write a name for your shortcut, type the message that will be associated with that shortcut, and finally save it. To delete an existing shortcut, simply select the checkbox next to it and then choose Delete from the three-dot menu. To use a quick reply, select the desired reply by checking its checkbox and then click the Use Reply option located on the bottom right. The message will then be pre-typed into your reply box, which you can easily edit if any adjustments are required. Alternatively, you can also directly use a quick reply by simply typing a / followed by the shortcut name associated with that reply. If a user asks a question or query that you're not entirely sure about, you can utilize the AI Assist feature to help you generate an answer. You also have the flexibility to edit the answer if required. This powerful feature is linked with our ChatGPT integration, which allows you to train the AI specifically for your business. You can learn much more about this in our detailed ChatGPT integrations video. To end the conversation or to switch back to chatbot mode, simply click on the End Conversation button. As soon as you take control of a conversation, the lead is automatically marked as active. Once you've successfully addressed the user's query, you can then mark the user's query as resolved. Active leads will remain visible in the Active tab, while the resolved ones will seamlessly move to the Resolved tab for easy organization. If you ever need to search for anything specific within a conversation, you can click on the search icon located at the top of the chat and then search for your required message. You can also assign a lead to a specific team member. To do this, simply click on the three-dot menu from the top, conveniently located near the search icon, and then click on the Assign Lead option. You will then see a drop-down menu containing the names of all your team members, allowing you to easily choose which team member you want to assign the lead to. If you wish to send sequential messages to a user, you can create an automation sequence. This sequence can include several template messages that are sent one after the other, with a certain gap in between each. This feature is perfect for sending automatic marketing messages, reminders, follow-ups, and much more. You can learn more about automating sequences by watching our dedicated, detailed video on this topic. That brings us to the end of our tutorial on the chat menu's conversation window. We've covered everything from initiating chats and using templates to leveraging AI Assist and organizing your leads. We hope this guide helps you manage your conversations more effectively. Thanks for watching.